Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ongsuman Sinha Mathematics. So we are doing the solution from class 10 CBSE RS Agarwal math book. RS Agarwal math book. We are doing solution from that book, and we are doing height and distance chapter. So as we have done up to question number 27, I think, from RS Agarwal mathematics book. So today we will start from question number 27. Sorry viewers, actually we have done question up to question number 31, question number 30 of RS Agarwal mathematics book. The chapter name is height and distance. So today we will start from question number 31. Hope you are able to see the solution. Question number 31. Now in question, what is given in question number 31, I will give you the question also. A man on the deck of a ship 60 meter above water level. Okay, so we are drawing the picture. A man on the deck of a ship 16 meter above water level. Observe that the angle of elevation and depression respectively of the top and bottom of a cliff are 60 degree and 30 degree. So the man is the deck of a ship 60 meter above the water level. So this is 16 meter, and observe the angle of elevation and depression of the top and bottom of a cliff are 60 degree and 30 degree. So this is the cliff, okay, and this is 16 meter high. So this is the top of the cliff. So this is the cliff, and this is 16 meter above the deck. This is the deck. Now here it is given that observe that the angle of elevation and depression respectively top and bottom are 60 degree and 30 degree. So angle of elevation from here, from this is the angle of elevation. This is 60 degree. Understood? This is 60 degree. And angle of depression, so this angle, this is 30 degree. Hope you are able to understood it. Now this is the cliff. Calculate the distance of the cliff from the ship and the height of the cliff. So this is the distance, this we have to find, and again this is the height, that also we have to find. Now since this is 30 degree, so obviously this is also 30 degree. Understood? Now from if we named it A, B, C, D, E. Now from triangle ABE, from triangle ABE tan 30 degree tan 30 degree, that's equals to AE by AB. AE by AB, now tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, that's equals to AE. AE means 16, AB, that is the distance. So AB is equal to 16 root 3. Now here root 3 equal to given 1.732. So this AB is equal to 16 into 1.732. Now if we calculate it, so if we calculate here, we are getting the result 27.712. Obviously this is in meter. So this is the first answer. That is the distance of the deck from the cliff, or what is given here. Now I am showing the question. This is the question. Hope you are able to see it. The question number 20, question number 31. This is question number 31. You read the question. Now we have to find the height of the cliff. This is the height of the cliff. So now we have to find this height of the cliff. Now already, since this is 16 meter, so obviously this is also 16 meter. This distance is also 16 meter. Now we have to consider only this triangle, that is triangle EDC. Now from triangle EDC, tan 60 degree is equal to DC by EC. Now since AB is equal to 27.712 or 16 root 3, AB is equal to 16 root 3. Since AB is equal to 16 root 3, obviously EC is equal to 16 root 3 also. Now so tan 60 means root 3, that's equal to DC. DC we don't know. EC is equal to 16 root 3. So DC is equal to 16 root 3 into root 3. That means 16 into 3. That means 48 meter. Now height of the cliff, that's equals to BC plus DC. Now BC is equal to 16 meter plus DC is equal to 48 meter. So here the answer 64 meter will be the answer. Now actually in this the figure is not look like that. Figure is look quite like that actually. This type of figure, that will be more perfect, but here for calculating this figure is enough. So that's the solution. So the height of the cliff is 64 meter, this total height, that is this is 64 meter, and this equals to 16 root 3 meter. Okay, next move to another question. The rest of the questions the hints are given in R.S. Agarwal mathematics book, so you can go through the hints. If you are unable to understand, then tell me. Okay, next we are going to start another chapter from CBSE class 10 syllabus. Okay.